Romantic French menu. Who said romance is dead? In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your Valentine's Day special with a few simple ingredients and some easy to follow instructions that will leave you looking like a gourmet chef. Just follow my lead, and you'll be on your way to a romantic meal for two, complete with wine and candles. Place some flowers in a tiny vase or glass jar. Cover the table with a red and white checkered tablecloth. Ice a bottle of white wine, pop a bottle of champagne, and allow the red wine to breathe. French music should be played while the dishes are being prepared. This is the ideal romantic French dinner for any occasion, but it really shines on Valentine's Day. For a wonderful French appetizer, bake the cheese before slicing the baguette into bite-sized pieces and dipping it in French onion soup. Did you know that onions used to be regarded as an aphrodisiac in France? At weddings, the French onion soup was offered to nourish the newlyweds. Getting to the main course in classic French. Prepare cheese-topped mussels in a white wine sauce. Delicious and easy to prepare. You won't spend hours in the kitchen becoming red-faced making this wonderful red wine and chicken recipe from the author of My Little Paris Kitchen. Simply prepare ahead of time, pop it in the oven, and serve it with style. Even though this meal is so simple to prepare, it looks amazing when you place a large pot of fragrant, steaming hot mussels on the table for your special someone to enjoy. Finish the evening with the delectable French dessert known as Creme à la Creme. The tiny heart-shaped dessert is the ideal way to cap the meal because it's quick and simple to prepare in advance. Serve your meal, and say je t'aime, which is French for I love you, to your loved one. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell.